Looking for a hairstyle that is going to help your hair grow healthy and not break your edges, and you don't like to sit down for a long time, I think this is a very good style for you. Big fitting cornrow, easy to do, and you're going to take shorter time to do it. So if you love to see how I achieve this look, then you want to consider watching this video to the end, guys. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hello family, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this big fitting cornrows. First of all, I went ahead to divide the hair into two, and now I'm going to be cornrowing the back side going all back, and the one in the front I'm going to be doing it going in the middle. So it's going to be half up half down big fitting cornrows. All you'll be needing for this hairstyle is your pre-stretch expression hair and a shining charm. As you can see, her hair is natural and we are not going to be using any sort of heat to straighten it. And trust me, when I say no heat, I mean no heat, and the hair is just going to come out perfectly fine. So you can watch me as I go along and you're going to see every step that I take to achieve this look, guys. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and lay down your comment on any style you love to see me do on my channel. Share it with your friends and family. After I'm done with the cornrow, I went ahead and applied mousse on it, and I'm going to apply it all through the hair and before I dip it inside hot water. So you want to consider applying mousse all over your hair, and before dipping it in the water you want to apply mousse. The mousse help you to smoothen the hair, the braids, and it's really looking more clean and nice and shiny when you apply mousse on it before dipping inside hot water. So I really love this method. I think it really makes the braid look more nice to me. Doing baby hair, when it comes to baby hair, it doesn't really matter how you do it. It all matters how it looks good in front of your hair. Like you just have to follow your hairline or your client's hairline and do the baby hair. Like baby hair, anyhow you do it, for me it still looks good. It doesn't have any formula that you have to follow, so it depends on the hairline of your client or you. That's how your baby hair is going to be looking. So consider doing your baby hair like the way you like it, not the way you see it on other people, because everybody's hairline is different. So that's how I believe baby hair came out to be different as well. So it doesn't really have any method to achieve your baby hair. After doing the baby hair, now I'm going to tie with the styling strip and put her under the dryer for some minutes. Let the mousse and the spray set in well, and you're going to see the end result. Here is the final result. The hair came out so nice. She loved it so much, and it was looking so beautiful on her, and I know you love it as well, guys. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and lay down your comments on any style, anything that you love to see me do on my channel, and of course subscribe to my channel as well, and share this with your friends and family, guys, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.